Hey everyone, a few questions on the intake manifolds for when you're switching to the newer style J-series intake manifolds and what you do with the butterfly piece that's in the middle. So as you can see in the butterfly here, there is a actuator that will open and close the flap here. And essentially when you get everything switched over and you're switching to these manifolds, you can just get rid of all this. So what you end up having to do here is you remove these 3 screws here, and then that lets you pull this up. And whenever you get this out of the way, you'll have these flaps. So you'll remove these screws here for the flaps, and then essentially that'll leave you with a push rod. So on the end, whenever you have this removed, you can actually see a bearing inside, and that bearing is what's holding this in. So what I ended up doing with my other piece here, I'll show you, is, so you can see I have everything, all of it removed, and I clamped it down so I had something that way I could hammer, and I would grab like a small punch and I would insert it. You'll have like a little lever, you can't really see it on that piece because those flaps are covering it, but you'll have a little flap here where you're able to actually push that punch, and so you'll be able to hammer that out. So it does take a little bit of time, a little bit of patience, but once you get all that out, you'll be able to slide your rod through here. And then I actually have a block off plate coming from P2R. I don't know if they've officially released it yet or not, but you can get a block off plate and just block this off over here, and then you're good to go. You don't have to worry about having that big old module over on the side here. So then it's just like a normal intake manifold, to where it's like the old style, to where there's no left and right. Actually, I have a piece over here. So these are channeled on these, but you can kind of see the same thing here, to where basically it'll be just like the old style where it's all open, and you'll be good to go. Feel free to comment if you guys have any questions, or if you have any other tips for anybody else who's trying to do this. Just go ahead and comment below, and that'll help them out.